Hello guys, welcome back. In today's quick video, we're explaining what the check emission system warning means on an Acura MDX, why it appears, and what you should do right away to fix it safely. When you see the check emission system warning on your Acura MDX, it means there's a problem with the system that controls harmful exhaust gases. Ignoring this alert can lead to poor fuel economy, reduced engine performance, and higher emissions. Start with the simplest fix first. Check your gas cap. A loose, cracked, or improperly sealed fuel cap is the most common cause of this warning. Tighten it until it clicks and drive for a short time to see if the message clears. If the warning stays on, the next step is scanning the vehicle with an OBD2 scanner. This tool reads trouble codes that pinpoint the issue. Common causes include faulty oxygen sensors, evap system leaks, dirty mass airflow sensors, EGR valve problems, worn spark plugs, or catalytic converter issues. Once the faulty part is repaired or replaced, the warning must be cleared. The best method is using the scanner to erase the codes. Disconnecting the battery can also reset it, but this won't fix the problem and may cause the warning to return. If the light is flashing instead of solid, stop driving immediately and seek professional help. A flashing light signals severe engine damage risk.